everybody, it's Jill for today. We are taking off for the long Memorial Day weekend, and I'm making a potato salad to take with us. I'm actually making several items ahead of time that we can take and enjoy, and also a little more convenient food that I don't have to spend, a lot of time in the kitchen, because we're both going to go and just relax, read some books, look at the water, have a great time. So this potato salad I'm making is it's awesome. It's the one that I normally go to when I make a potato salad. I'll tell you right now, it is not a Weight Watchers recipe, but it's darn good. So I wanted to bring you down and we'll get started. All right, so in my bowl here I have 3 potatoes. These are russet. We tend to prefer the russet in a potato salad. They kind of break down a little bit, and they have such a wonderful potato flavor. And a lot of people use red potato or the Yukon Gold, and if that's your preference, then go right ahead and use that. And I've cut these into about, not quite, maybe 3/4 of an inch cube, 1/2 inch cube, something like that. So there's 3 of those, and I'm going to start adding some ingredients. Now, if you've watched my videos, a lot of them I dump and go, and this one I've tried now to measure to make it a little more easier to follow. I've got a 1/2 cup of chopped parsley here, and if I feel it's too much, and it isn't too much, so we're going to go with a 1/2 cup of chopped parsley, and I have a 1/4 cup of pickle relish. And I will put all this together and I will taste it and say, this isn't this isn't what I want. So darn it, I didn't want to use that either. I didn't want to use this. I wanted to use the other spoon because I want to put this in my mayonnaise. Oh well, I can wash it, right? And then I have a 1/3 cup of chopped parsley, and again, that might be, I don't know, I think I'm going to use it all. I have about 2 tablespoons of chopped red pimento, and this comes in a jar, and you drain it. And sometimes you'll find it in little strips, and then you can chop it, or you can just get it chopped like I did. And you'll always find that usually there are 2 places you might find it. You might find it in the vegetable section of your grocery store, or you might find it where they keep the pickles, relishes, that sort of thing. I think each grocery store kind of has their own little different swing on what goes. And this is about 2 tablespoons of red onion. And the director really does not like fresh onion. If it's hot, he doesn't like it. And I understand that, because I don't either. And so there's this trick that I have, and it's really kind of so-so. It's you put this in cold water with a good teaspoon or 2 of salt, and you let it sit there for 10 minutes or so. And it's supposed to take some of the bitterness out of it. But then I have 2 eggs here that are chopped, hard-boiled eggs. All right, I am going to stir this up right now and see how I'm doing with the ratio. I like to call it the ratio. Potatoes to pickle relish to egg, so I see it. It's very colorful, and that's what I like in a potato salad, is a lot of color. And I like to have it balanced, so it looks pretty good. I've never measured my ingredients out before. That looks pretty good. Okay, I'm going to clean off my little tovolo scoop, and I'll be right back. Okay, I washed that off. I should have 3 of these. I love them so much. Now, so I washed that off. So I'm going to put some salt and pepper on here before I even put the mayonnaise on. Did you like that catch? That was pretty quick of me. All right, we're gonna put a good amount of black pepper on here. I know some people actually put oil on their potatoes before they dress it with mayonnaise, and I think that might be a little overkill for us. I know some people, it's kind of a traditional thing. Then, of course, there's the traditional German potato salad, where it's a vinegar and oil base. And we used to go to a restaurant in San Francisco, and they had the absolute most awesome German potato salad we ever ate. And I've always tried to recreate it. I've looked online for recipes, can't find it. All right, now I'm going to put in here a squirt of Dijon mustard, just a squirt, a little, maybe really a tablespoon. Just enough to give it a little a little punch. And I am going to use real mayonnaise. I'm going to use real mayonnaise. Good old Best Foods. Where's the label? There it is. Good old Best Foods. You know, if you're going to make a potato salad, right? And again, this is kind of a hard one for me to figure out. I'm going to say that's about a cup, I would say. And I'm going to stir that in and just see if it's enough. We don't like our potato salad swimming in mayonnaise, but you know, you have to have enough. If you're going to have potato salad, do it right or don't do it. And I've learned that the hard way. I've tried putting together potato salads that, you know, were low cal, low fat, point worthy, and none of it ever made it. So we're going away, and I wanted to make us a salad for the trip. All right. Well, I'm thinking that's looking actually pretty good. And as I said, I think that maybe was a cup of mayonnaise. I'm going to take a taste of it for mayonnaise to see if it's a good quantity, and I'm also going to take a taste of it for salt and pepper. All right, I'm going to take a taste of it, and we'll see how it is. Looks good. Of course, you know, it needs to chill for a long time. That has such a good salad. It really has enough pickle relish. That was one that I always try to figure out if it's too much, too little. And I think I've hit it spot on. And I do think it's enough mayonnaise. I really do. We can check back later on that, but I do think it's enough mayonnaise. But I am going to add a little more salt and pepper. Not much, maybe an eighth of a teaspoon of salt. And because we love pepper. You know what also be good in here is some cayenne. If you really wanted to get crazy, some cayenne would be really good. All right, I think that's I'm going to take one more little taste of it just to make sure that we're on the right path. All right, one more little taste here. Dang, I'll make a good potato salad. That's wicked good is what that is. All right, covering up, excuse me, parsley just fly out of my mouth. Saran wrap, I'm gonna put that in the refrigerator for a good 4 hours. Let all those flavors kind of, you know, meld together, get really cold, and then I know someone who wants to take a taste of this really bad. So we'll be back when it's time for tasting. Are you ready to try this?
Oh yeah, I'm always ready.
He loves a good potato salad.
I do indeed.
He does indeed. So
Is this a good one?
I think it is.
Oh.
I think it's one of my epic
Ooh,
salads.
epic.
So we're going to go ahead and serve some of this up, and then we're going to taste it. All right, going to have a little bit of this. A lot.
A lot is good.
Okay, so let me take a look. Oh, it doesn't look great. Okay, let's give this a taste. Oh, he's going to bring it in for a close-up. Okay, we're going to try this. All right, go for it there.
Okay.
I've added a little salt and a little pepper to it.
Okay. Well, I'll taste a little more of that.
You know, this is really a mega good potato salad. You know, when you buy potato salads in the grocery store, they've got that weird wang to them, and they're fake, and they've
Weird
got
wang.
weird wang.
Oh, just go with him.
And they have chemicals and all that. This is just such a great, straightforward.
It is.
Take another bite. Straightforward potato salad.
You can add, if you wanted, olives.
You could add olives. Yes, you could. You know, I know, not that I would add it, but you know, there's some people who add bay shrimp to potato salads. You know, and you could add that to this if you really like that kind of thing. Here, I'm going to take one more bite.
I'm kind of a purist. I'd like it without the bay shrimp.
Oh,
That's delicious.
oh my, it's good.
Yeah. Looking forward to that.
I know you're. It's just a great flavor profile. Everything gets tasted. Everything gets tasted.
Yep.
So we're going to the beach,
Yeah.
and we're going to spend 3 whole nights there.
Yeah.
We're going to play cards. We're going to look at
We're
the
gonna
water.
drink,
We're going to
Emily.
drink. We're going to read books.
Eat good food.
And we're going to eat great food, which is going to include this damn fine potato salad.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you'll tell your friends. Tell them I make a great potato salad. Yeah?
Yeah.
Anything else?
Nope, except I plan on filming the first episode of the director's cut at the beach.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really cool. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot. We'll see you soon. Take
Bye-bye.
care. Bye-bye.